Hi everyone, this is Chika with Borrowed Delights, and on this episode I'm going to share with you how to make my white chili chicken. So in my saucepan here I have a couple tablespoons of oil that I've heated over medium heat. To that I've added in my onions, and I'm going to saute my onions for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they become translucent. Next I'm adding in my ground chicken. I'm going to cook this for about 3 minutes over medium heat, ensuring that I am breaking up the chicken into small pieces as it cooks. Next, I'm adding in some minced garlic and my seasonings, which includes oregano, parsley, thyme, and cumin. I'm going to stir that together and allow that to cook for about 30 seconds or until the garlic becomes fragrant. Next, I'm adding in 1 can of chopped green chilies, and I'm going to stir that in. I'm also going to add in, of course, my beans, and I'm using white kidney beans, also known as cannelloni beans, and I've drained and rinsed them before adding them to my pot. I'm also going to be adding in some chicken broth and a little bit of water. So I'm going to stir everything together, and I'm going to bring this to a simmer over medium heat. Once it comes to a simmer, you're going to cover your pot and allow this to continue to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring to stir it occasionally. And your white chili chicken is done. This is such a simple recipe. It's such a great comfort food recipe. I know it's March, almost spring, but there is still snow on the ground where I live, so anytime that I can make a nice comforting recipe, I will do so. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it on your social media networks. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when new recipes are posted. Now, I like to eat my chili just as it is, plain, but if you wanted to, you can go ahead and garnish this with some cheese and chopped green onions or some sour cream and green onions. Either way, it is absolutely delicious, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please be sure to leave your comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.